Hi guys, welcome again to our channel, and today we're going to have the unboxing. We're going to open the Rachael Ray 12 pieces set hard enamel cooking set, and we're going to use these for our cooking videos. And guys, let's start opening the box. So we have this cover, and this is for our 6 quarts covered stock pot. So this is the covered stock pot. And now we have the 1.5 quart covered saucepan. And this one is a little bit bigger, and this is the 2 quarts covered saucepan. And we have also the skillet. This is 8-inch skillet. And we have also 1-piece spatula. What else inside the box? So we have these 3 quarts covered satay. And we have another size of skillet, and this is the 10-inch skillet. Lastly, we have this 10-inch by 15-inch cookie pan. And this is the Rachael Ray 12 pieces hard enamel cooking set. And so we have this covered stock pot 6 quarts. We have this covered satay 3 quarts. We have this 2 quarts covered saucepan. We have the 1.5 quart covered saucepan. And of course, we have the skillet. So we have 2 sizes of skillet. This one is the 10-inch skillet. And this one is the cookie pan, 10 inches by 15 inches. Plus, we have 1 spatula. This cooking set helps food slide off easily and makes cleanup a snap because it is non-stick, and are very comfy and riveted for extra strength because of its sturdy handles. Thank you so much guys for watching, and God bless us all.